Hello there and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you an easy, simple and better way to create search experience in your Flutter app. So what I have here is just a simple search bar, and when I tap on it, it opens a page where I can search for products. So these are just some list of strings that I can search for. So if I want to search for anything else, I just need to search and then I get autocomplete for it. Right, and I can choose any of them. So this is what we'll be building today, and we're not going to use TextField or TextFormField or any of the normal text fields you are used to. We are going to build this using a widget called Search Anchor. Now let's get right into it. So here in VS Code, I have a Flutter app running, and in the body of my app, I have a list view. Right, so if you want to create a search field, you might think of using a text field widget or a text form widget. So something like this. And that is going to give you this text field, and then you can manually work your way around creating the search experience. Now that's a bit tedious and complex. So in today's video, we're looking at how to simplify this approach using the search anchor widget. In my list view, I'm going to use a search anchor dot bar. So that's what you are looking for. And the reason why I'm using the bar constructor is that I want my search field to be like this, and then when I tap on it, it opens a page. So there is a required parameter we have to fill here, right? So I'm going to complete this, and since my autocomplete is not working at the moment, I'm going to move everything and ask VS Code to fill out the required parameter like this. This is what we call the suggestion builder. Now for now, I'm just going to return an empty list over here and save. So when I save, we have this search bar. Just by doing search anchor.bar, it creates this search bar for us. Now it's just up to us to style it the way we want. So realize if you tap on it, it opens the page, and anything you basically want to do with your search field, everything is just done here for you. You don't need to worry about text field or text form fields. So I'm going to reduce the elevation on this and also change some of the colors. First, I'm going to set the bar elevation to 0.5 and double blah blah. So I think the required value is not double. I think it's supposed to material state property, yes, and then 0.5 like this. So that reduces the elevation of the search bar. Good. So that is going to be it. And I want to also change this divider color. Right, it's too dark. So divider color, and that one I think we can just pass in colors dot gray and not green, gray. And then I want a shade of 300. So the next time we open this, we should see a light gray color over here. Right, now you can go very wild with the customization of this search bar. There are lots of properties here that you can fill out, right, to style this according to your need. And you're not going to focus on the styling that much. So what we are going to do is, I want to add a hint text here. So first we can do bar hint text and then search for product. Right, so that's going to put a hint text here for us. Now in order to implement the actual search functionality, for now when we search, nothing happens. We need to put our logic for the search in this suggestions builder. So for now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to create a list of strings that's like the kind of data we have that the user can search for. So final product, and this is going to be a list of product names that the user can search for, right? And for now, I'm just going to put in some product list I have here. So this is just very simple, right? Now in this particular suggestion builder, we need to return a list of widgets, and that's the suggestions that we want to display. So let's first get what the user has entered, and we can get that from the controller we have over here. So the search controller gives us the text that the user has entered and the ability to close and open this search view. So final keyword and that is going to be equal to our controller dot text. So this represents what the user has entered. And now if the keyword is empty, which means the user hasn't entered anything, we just want to return an empty list, which means we don't have any suggestion to even show in the first place. You can implement functionalities such as recent suggestions, so that if the keyword is empty, you can show the last search the user made. But we're not going to go into that in this video. So if keyword dot is empty, then we want to return an empty list like this. Else, we want to look for products that matches what the user has searched. So we can then create a variable here for, let's say, matched products, and that will be equal to our product dot where, right? So where the product, I'm going to change this to product, where the product to lowercase, because this product is in uppercase and the user might enter it either in lowercase or uppercase. So we want to convert our product to lowercase, contains the keyword, so I'm going to move this here, contains our keyword dot to lowercase, right? So we are doing the comparison to check if what the user has entered in lowercase matches our product in lowercase. Right now, this is going to return us some list of products. So it's, for now we have a trouble over here. I'm not going to do to list for now because I want to use this list of products we have over here to create a widget. So where we have a return empty list, I'm going to return matched product dot map, and then for each of the products I just want to return a list style, right? And then the title of this list style will be a text, and it has the string in it like this, right? So match product dot map, I'm mapping over all the products that the user has searched and it matches, and then I'm returning a list style widget for that. When I search for a product, so when I tap, it's going to open this search field for me, and when I search for a product like tea, realize that it shows all the product that has T in it because we are using the contains over here, right? And T in lowercase or uppercase is still the same because we are converting everything to lowercase. If I search for P, there is the only product we have that contains P. N, there is the only product. S, there are lots of product that has S in it, right? So for now, we can't tap on this list style because we haven't added any on tap to it. And we can clear our text field as well. So if I search for something, I can just clear it. Also, you can implement a functionality where if the user searches for something that we don't have, we just show it. We don't have that particular thing. So considering this match product, if match product is 0, then it means we don't have any product that matches what the user has searched. And then based on that condition, we can return a different UI, any UI that you want to return. So what I'm going to do is when I tap on this list style over here, so within the on tap, I want to do something. I want to first close this view. So that's what you might want to do most of the time. When the user taps on the product, you close it and maybe you open a different page, a product details page or any other page you want to open, right? So I'm going to do controller dot close view, and then we can pass in an optional selected text. So selected text is what the user selected, right? And for now, you can just put in now, and when you put in now, what this will do is if I close this, so I'm going to search for a shirt, and if I tap, I have to close this first, and if I tap, it does nothing. So we still see the T over here, the T that I typed initially. Now what you can do is you can pass in this E over here, which is whatever the item is. So instead of passing in now, I'm going to pass in E like this. And now if I search for something like shirt and I tap on shirt, realize that it's auto completes it to the shirt. That's what I tapped on. If you hover over the close view documentation, realize that it's going to close the search bar and then put that text the user tapped on as the entry. That's what is going to happen for this. And there are lots of customizations you can give to this search. And you can add a trailing list of icons. You can add your own search controller to do maybe manipulations with what the user has selected. or open it manually. So imagine you want to open this manually from a different button or whatsoever, you can do that as well. Now, apart from this search anchor.bar widget, there is a search bar widget as well, which provides the same functionality, but most of the time I find that I'm using this search anchor.bar. Right, so you can do a little search about search anchor and then search bar widgets. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.